Let's see. Okay, so how did we set it up? Easy. Hostinger. Boom. We're on Hostinger. Let's just show you Hostinger. I don't know if you've heard of Hostinger before. It's my favorite host site. New Year's sale going on. I've had it for years and it's been pretty perfect. So this is the front end. Couple different types of plans. And the back looks like. Just a second. Do 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 do. That's not right. Do, 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 do. It looks like this. You can get domains here, different plans here, emails. Before I had to set it up with a VPS and it was more expensive, and now you can just link. You can link it to your domains, so you can do it all in the same place. So I have it set up here. This is Sad Bunny, and haha, that's me. It's like Bad Bunny, but sad. Do you get it? Anyways, this is the back, and you can see right here it says deployment. When I set this up, it gave me an option to point the site to a Git account. I think it actually just logged me in, and then I just like clicked on one, and then whenever I upload, sometimes it does it on its own, but sometimes I just come back here and redeploy it when I really want to see if it like worked on the live version, or if it didn't deploy and I have to like go fix a bug. So this is the easiest it's ever been to do it without like using dummy data or logging into a third party like Vercel for a database. Um, I accidentally redeployed it, but it's fine because all the tests in the last update passed, so that's fine. But I'm so glad that Hostinger tied it all in. They must have seen what people were doing and made updates. So I'm just gonna like go through that process so you see how easy it is. So I'm gonna close this. This is our normal code. If I had just made an update, it would be as easy as going into the terminal, going into whatever your root directory that you're making uploads from to Git is, and doing git add star. That's too small. Git add star like that. It's not gonna work right here, but and then do your commit right here. Hello. Oops. Yikes. Hold on. Let me just fix that. Git commit. Hello world. So you press enter here to commit, and then git push. Boom. This is not going to work because boom, see, everything's up to date. But if it's new, then it's just going to push, and if all the tests, like, we test it here first. Oh, wrong. Right. We test it here first and make sure it's working. Boom. Great. And then we push it up. Excuse me. Goodness. My goodness. All right. So cool. That's what this simplified workflow is, which is like 10 out of 10, the best it's ever been. But some people are wondering like how I installed stuff and what I'm using. So, oops, that's not right. So I'm going to show you real quick what the whole project process looks like. So I'm using VS Code. It's actually set up to do like, I don't like the AI features. I don't like any of it. So I rather not like, I don't know. I don't need it. So I don't use it. But it is, you can if you want. And you can do clicky stuff here to get your Git. But I just used the terminal. So you can see these are all my projects, but I'm just gonna open a new file and then open a terminal. And if you don't have VS Code set up, I think you should. It's one of the best workflows I've ever found. So here's the root. I make a new folder, how to install React via Postinger. Okay, very silly name. How to install. So we're in, and I kind of just go half and half here, and I'm going to HeroUI.com. Just going to get started. I'm using it with Vite. I don't know how to say it, but I love it. So I go to the Vite section here and I copy. I think this is what we did. Let's see. Paste. Boop. Cloned. And oh no, too soon. I think it's still working. I'm just gonna leave it alone for a sec. Okay, there it goes. I'm just gonna ls again to see if it's all done. Great. You can't see it on the stream. Very useful. So this is what it produced. My Vite app. So I'm gonna get in there, and this is the framework for the basic Vite template, and it's as simple as taking this and let me see. We wanna actually forgot what the command is, but making a new Git file, Git init. Well, yeah, we initialized the empty repository. Then I'm gonna git add everything. And if you want a more in detail Vite setup, like I have VS Code set up to use ESLINT and to auto format my code. So some of the stuff that you will see my code do is not just gonna happen for you. But I'll post a link to the video I used to set up VS Code in the comments. So I've done the git add, so now I'm gonna make a commit. It's our first commit of example my Vite app, Vite, whatever. And I don't think this is gonna work. I think I have to name something. Git push, yeah. See, git push. No configured push destination. Git remote. Ugh. I'm looking up at a big screen instead of my laptop. Git remote. Add. Example Vite setup. Did I not do that right? Git remote add name. Oh, URL. URL. So I didn't do that right, obviously. So I'm gonna set up the repository, I think, first. Love this setup. Git example Vite app. Set up on stream for Luca and friends. We'll just leave it public. I would just change this to private if it's your own personal website. And you would set up a git ignore, but that will be in another video if you want to do that. Okay, cool. So this is what I was missing. So I'll take this, split the screen. I think we're done with this stuff. And then go here. And just like monkey see, monkey do. Git add. I'm adding everything. Set the branch to main. You can copy it, but like, I just am like typing. Oops. Boom. Now this is up on Git and it's all hooked up. So from here on out, all the work that we do, oh, I didn't open the project. All the work that we do is just going to be able to be automatically uploaded like straight to through the terminal, which is the quickest and easiest I've ever been able to set that up. Like I said, I have ESLINT set up here to help me just automatically format code so I'm not wasting my human hours counting spaces and tabs. But this is the project. It's the basic install, and you have to reopen terminal when you open it. You can pick your entry point. Like if you need to edit a page, boom, apps open. You can see like the basic structure of Vite here, and you get the terminal. So that's all linked up. What else was I gonna explain? That was HeroUI with Git in VS Code. And if you wanna, if you have any more questions, let me know. Oh no, hilarious! I'm gonna show you how to tie it into Hostinger. Just a sec. So I'm gonna take this down. So in the back in your Hostinger panel, you go to the dashboard of, I'm working on this site next, so I actually don't want it to be WordPress. I was just showing someone something. So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to set it up so that this repository is pointing just to this. So I'm going to add a website here. Node.js. Yes! Hats off to Hostinger for setting that up. And hats off for setting this up, because this is beautiful. It is. It's just a click. Example v app. Boom. And then that's it. The only thing you got to do is make sure this all matches up. Deploy. And then go... you have to go in to the FTP, to the file manager. You can access it through your dashboard here. And you have to edit the htaccess. Let's see. I have a screenshot. Let me see. I just did it last night, so I think I have the reference here still. History. Let's see. htaccess. Let me just search. htaccess. Boom, there it is. No, that's not quite right. Slow. Google search, yeah. Let's see. Working on local. I put in on. Ah, got it. So here on this Stack Overflow, it runs you through the process of what you have to do to, like, make sure that all your routes are referencing the right point. And in this section, this is what you have to do in your mod. You have to redirect the requests for the main pages through index.html, because otherwise the people's browsers are going to get confused and things aren't going to reload properly or load properly from source. And you have to be thoughtful about where you put your images, because it'll be a little harder to it'll be just not as straightforward to reference them through the Vite app on the server. But you basically take this, copy it, and put it on your server in an htaccess file. I can put this link in chat, and I will put it in the YouTube comments. Oh, but let me show you that it works. No, it doesn't work. Why not? Let's see what I did wrong. Ooh, did I don't think I closed it mid-deploy, did I? Oh, it's not quite connected. I had another step to take, as you saw. So after you deploy, it connects it to a dummy link, and then you forward that dummy link to your domain. But you can do that in dashboard. And now, when you go back, it's all deployed. I thought I just did this. Sha. See details. Okay, man. Okay, cool. So you see it all set up successfully back here. And now that that's done, we can go see the skeleton. And that's the setup. And it's easier than ever because of this integration. And welcome to whoever that is that just tuned in. We just finished going over how easy it is to set up a new website in Vite with HeroUI and Hostinger, all referencing a repository on GitHub. Who's here? Who's around me? Who's around me right now? Who's around me? Why can't I see the people? Is it me and Stream Elements? Yeah, it is. Okay. Anyways, that's it.